will guide you through the process of using OneClick. The first step is to download the software and extract the file. In this section, there are two versions. 4.1 is the completed version, and 4.2 is the latest version. Open SketchUp, go to Extension Manager, and select Install Extension to install. We will install the version we want. For example, I am installing the latest version. The three toolbars will appear after install. We can move these three toolbars just like SketchUp. And after installation, you should restart SketchUp, click on OneClick logo, and then proceed to register the account. Onemu can only register one account. Enter your information and click on Register. Then go to the email to confirm this account. Confirm your email to verify that the account has been successfully created. Afterward, log in and using it. At a time, you can only log into one computer. If you log in your account on multiple computers, it will be logged out. The next step is to configure the settings. Choose the OneClick extension and configure it. In the general setting, click Load Default to load the default setting. After updating the default setting, we can adjust the setting for various connections or post-processors. Data configuration is also very important. To understand the configuration better, we will refer to the tutorial video for setting up the configuration. After installation, we can proceed with modeling and explore the code. For example, I take a cabinet frame from the OneClick library. If we want to turn off the guide light, click to hide or show the grid. Select the properties and click on the frame. With actions like checking or unchecking boxes and entering values, we can easily accurately adjust the frame's properties. For example, I will divide the back panel. I can enter the distance value or divide it into two equal parts. Or, for example, foot length, change the height of the foot setback, or add a tool rail or additional foot bar. Use the partition tools to divide the cabinet compartments. I can enter the distance, choose to create panels or not, split horizontally or vertically. Additionally, we can also adjust the partition panel or spacing. For example, this partition panel, I will move it to align with the partition panel in the upper compartment. Combine with the OneClick tool to model, for example, moving this door top left. Additionally, we can partition the cabinet face to divide the cabinet face into sections for adding door. For example, I will add the door for upper compartment, divide into 3 doors, and the bottom part is similar. However, the top gap is 25. So basically, the cabinet frame is complete. Additionally, we can also adjust the size of the back panel. For example, pulling this panel to center the partition bar. Now we will create the joists and hinge holes. We can create automatic joists in the Properties section. Choose the type of edge banding strips, group joists, and whether to create the injection pins. Then click Create Link. Next, create hinge hole. Simply choose the type of hinge. Then check the hinge attachment edge and the back panel. And here are the joist hole and hinge hole. We can use the tool to adjust the joint. Then, fill the material and proceed to export code. Select the cabinet frame to export and choose the post-processor. Choose the machine, for example, nesting. The first is the list of details. Then, into folding plate. When you click Arrange on panels, the software will automatically arrange the panel. The software will manually optimize the panel arrangement. In the optimization section, you can check the cutting layout and the diagram section. We can choose type of label we want. Check the material statistics in the material table. Then go to G-code to export the code. We can also change the tone in the tone section. Adjust the cutting depth, the number of tone passes, or customize the tone passes. Then download the G-code. In the G-code file, we have the following section. The first section is the nesting with labels. v4.1 is the label for version 4.1. We have the nesting file and the label file. For example, here is the label file for the new version I selected. Next is the G-code file for different types of materials. For example, for a 17 ticket panel, we have the following files: the G-code for the top and bottom surface. I will run the cutting simulation with Simul.